Good morning, Lucy. Morning, Ella. Why are you up so early today?
I have a presentation this morning.
A presentation? What's it about?
It's about the environment.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you speak really well.
Thanks, but I want to go early to prepare.
Do you want me to drive you to school?
No, it's okay. I'll take the bus.
All right, but it's very crowded in the morning.
I know. I'll be careful.
Did you have breakfast?
Not yet. I'm in a hurry.
Here, eat this piece of bread. Thanks, I'll eat it on the way. And take this milk too.
Okay, thank you so much. Do you have everything with you? Oh no, I forgot my papers.
Here they are on the table.
Oh, you saved me. Thank you.
Go carefully and good luck with your presentation.
Thanks. See you later. What a beautiful morning. Maybe I'll walk home later. I should ask Lucy to go shopping with me after school. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to sit here?
Oh, no, I'm fine, dear. You can sit.
It's okay, ma'am. I'll get off at the next stop. Please take my seat.
Thank you, dear. You're very kind.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Are you going to school?
Yes, ma'am. I have class this morning.
You look a little thin, my dear. Here, take this apple.
Oh, thank you so much.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away, you know.
That's very sweet of you.
No problem, dear. I always bring extra fruit.
You remind me of my grandmother.
That's so nice to hear.
This is my stop now.
Have a nice day, dear. Thank you. I hope you have a lovely day, too. Goodbye.
I think I'm lost. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for Building C.
Building C. It's near the library.
Where is the library?
Go straight and turn right at the big fountain.
Okay, go straight and turn right.
Yes, you will see the library on your left. Building C is behind it.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you new here?
Not really, but this school is so big. Everything looks the same.
Yeah, I got lost too on my first day.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Don't worry, you will learn the way soon.
I hope so. What class do you have?
Presentation skills.
Nice. Good luck with that.
Thanks. What about you?
I have English communication.
Cool. Maybe we can meet later.
Sure, that would be nice.
Okay, I have to go now. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good class.
Bye. See you around.
Bye. The classroom is quiet this morning. I sit near the window with my notebook open. I take out my laptop and pen. Oh no, I still have a piece of bread in my mouth. I didn't finish breakfast. I start typing while chewing slowly. There are only a few students here now. Some are reading, some are talking softly. I look at the clock. 5 minutes before class. All right, I should get ready. Suddenly, I hear someone talking to me.
Is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thanks, I came a bit late.
No problem. The teacher just started.
Oh no, I forgot my pen. Do you have an extra one?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you, you saved me.
You're welcome. I always bring two.
What's your name?
I'm Ella.
And you?
I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What class is this again?
Presentation skills.
Oh, right. I almost went to the wrong room.
Me too. This school is so big.
Do you understand what the teacher said?
A little. I write notes to remember.
That's smart. Can I check your notes later?
Sure, no problem.
The topic sounds interesting.
Yes, it's about body language.
I like that. It's useful for speaking.
Yeah, I want to speak more confidently.
Do you have class after this?
No, I'm free. What about you?
Same here. Maybe we can study together later.
That would be nice.
Okay, let's focus now.
Yes, I don't want to miss anything.
Hi, Lucy.
Hey, Ella, you look tired.
Yeah, the morning was busy.
Did your presentation go well?
Yes, it did. I feel so happy now.
Good job, you worked hard.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe rice and chicken.
That sounds good. I'll get the same.
Okay, let's sit by the window.
Nice spot. It's bright and quiet.
The food smells great.
Yeah, I'm starving. Let's eat.
This chicken is so good.
It is. The sauce is sweet.
I could eat this every day.
Me too.
Do you have class after lunch?
Yes, one more at 2.
Same here. I hope it's not boring.
We can sit together again.
Deal.
Do you want ice cream later?
Oh yes, that sounds perfect.
Let's go to the small shop near the gate.
Okay, after class then.
Lunch with you is always nice.
Oh, thanks. You make the day better too.
All right, let's finish and go back to class.
Yeah, let's go.
The weather is so nice today. Yeah, it feels great after class. Where are we going now? Let's stop by the supermarket. Good idea. I need to buy some snacks. And I need shampoo and bread. Look, it's not crowded at all. Perfect. We can shop slowly. Let's get a cart. Okay, where should we go first? Snacks. I want chips. Of course you do. Which one do you like? Maybe the cheese flavor. Good choice. I'll take the spicy one. Let's also get some cookies. Yes, I love chocolate cookies. Now let's find the shampoo. It's on the left side near the soap. Got it. Oh, this one smells nice. Yeah, I like that brand too. Do you want the small bottle or big one? The big one. It lasts longer. Do we need anything else? Maybe some bread and milk. Okay, I'll grab them. All right, I'll wait here. All done. Yes, let's go pay. Shopping always makes me happy. Me too, and walking here is fun. Let's go home before it gets dark. Okay, let's go.
This food looks so good.
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Okay, let's try it.
The noodles taste great.
Yeah, the sauce is perfect.
You cooked so well today.
Thanks, I'm happy you like it. Do you want more vegetables?
Yes, please, just a little.
Here you go.
Thanks. How was your day?
Pretty good. I liked our shopping.
Me too. The walk was nice.
Yeah, and the weather was perfect.
Did you finish your homework?
Not yet. I'll do it later.
Same here. Maybe after dinner.
I'm so full now.
Me too. That was delicious.
Okay, now who will wash the dishes?
Not me. I cooked.
Hey, I helped too. But you didn't cook. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
All right. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I win again.
Oh no, I always lose.
Fine, I'll wash them.
Good, and don't forget to take out the trash.
What? Me again?
Yes, it's your turn.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thanks, you're the best.
I know. By the way, what will you do after this?
I think I'll take a shower.
Good idea. You must be tired.
Yeah, I feel sticky after walking and cooking. Don't take too long, I need the bathroom too.
All right, I'll be quick. Then I'll make tea while you shower. Perfect. Sounds like a plan. Okay, let's clean up now. Sure, then it's shower time.
I'm so tired.
Me too, but we still have work to do.
Yeah, these deadlines never end. How many reports do you have left?
2 more. What about you?
Just one, but it's really long.
Let's finish them together.
Good idea. It's easier that way.
What are you writing about?
Global warming.
Oh, that sounds hard.
Yeah, I need more examples.
Do you want me to check it later?
Yes, please. Thanks a lot. And you can check my grammar too.
Sure, no problem. What time is it?
Almost 9 o'clock.
Already? Time goes so fast.
Yeah, we've been working for hours.
Let's take a short break.
Okay, my eyes hurt a little.
Same here.
All right, I think I'll go to bed soon.
Yeah, it's getting late.
Are you going to sleep now?
Not yet. I want to call my parents first.
That's nice. You haven't talked to them today, right?
No, not yet. I miss them a little.
I get it. Talk to them, then go to sleep.
I will. Good night, Lucy.
Good night, Ella. Sleep well.
You too.
Hello, Mom.
Allah, it's so nice to hear your voice.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine, dear. How about you?
I'm good. Just a little tired from studying.
Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I did. I cooked noodles with Lucy.
That's good. Don't skip meals.
Okay, I won't, Mom. Don't worry.
Where's Dad? I don't hear him.
Oh, he's at the bathroom. He's taking a shower.
Ah, I see. Please tell him I said hello.
I will, dear. He'll be happy to hear that.
How's everything at home?
Everything's fine. The weather is cool here.
Really? I miss that.
You can feel it this weekend. Are you coming home?
Yes, I'll visit this weekend.
That's great. We both miss you so much.
I miss you too, Mom. And I miss your food.
Then I'll cook your favorite soup when you come.
Thanks, Mom. Please rest early tonight and take care of your health.
I will. You too, Ella. Don't study too late.
Okay, I'll go to bed soon. Good night, Mom.
Good night, dear. Sleep well.
Amazing.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
It's so good. What is it called?
It's my homemade chicken pasta.
It's delicious. The sauce is perfect.
Thank you. I made it with tomatoes and cream.
It tastes better than in a restaurant.
Oh, stop. You're just being nice.
No, I'm serious. It's really, really good.
I'm happy to hear that. I cooked all morning.
You did a great job. Can I have the recipe?
Sure. It's actually very simple.
Really? What do I need?
You need chicken, pasta, garlic, onion, tomato sauce, and cream.
That sounds simple enough.
Yes, and don't forget a little salt and pepper.
Got it. I'll try it this weekend.
I can help you if you want.
That would be fine. We can cook together.
Good idea. You'll see. It's easy once you start.
Thanks for sharing your secret recipe.
You're welcome. Just promise to save me a plate.
Deal. You're the best chef I know.
You look amazing today.
Really? Thank you.
Yeah, I love your outfit. That jacket looks great on you.
Oh, this old thing. I've had it for years.
Well, it still looks brand new. The color really suits you.
You think so? I wasn't sure about the color.
No, it's perfect. It matches your shoes, too.
Oh, thanks. I just bought these shoes last week.
Nice choice. Where did you get them?
At the new mall downtown. They were on sale.
You always find the best deals. Maybe I just shop too much. No, you have good taste. Your style is always simple but cool.
That's so nice of you to say.
It's true. You look confident and comfortable. Thanks.
You look good too, by the way.
Oh, really? I didn't even try today. Well, sometimes simple looks best. Maybe I'll take that as a compliment.
You should.
We both look great today. Yes, we do. Let's take a photo together.
Good idea.
Good outfit day deserves a picture. Agreed. Say cheese.
Hi, can I ask you something?
Sure. What's up?
The printer isn't working again.
Oh, no. What's wrong with it?
I don't know, it just stopped printing.
Did you check if it's out of paper?
Yes, there is paper inside.
What about the cable? Is it connected?
Let me see. Yes, it's plugged in.
Okay, maybe it's the Wi-Fi. Are you connected to the office network?
Yes, same as always.
That's strange. Is there an error message on the screen?
Yes, it says paper jam. What does that mean?
It means some paper is stuck inside.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Don't worry, it happens a lot. Just open this back cover here.
Like this?
Yes, pull it gently. There, you can see the stuck paper.
Got it. Should I remove it?
Yes, take it out slowly.
Okay, done.
Great. Now close the cover and try again.
It's printing.
You're a lifesaver.
Haha, glad I could help.
Thanks. I really need these reports today.
No problem. Next time you'll know what to do.
Yeah, I just learned something new.